Hello guys, this is a short video to show how to open the Adblue cap on Discovery Sport, Landrover Discovery Sport. I I found it's difficult to open. This is very tight. I can't open it. It's just moving the top part, but can't open with the hand. I tried all the way. Now I notice the hole on the top, and I have a toolkit. Took this from the toolkit and the T-rod from the toolkit. I'm using this to open it if it is possible. I'm not giving too much force. Maybe if you are giving too much force it may break, so let's try with it. So it's perfect for that hole. See, that's it, done. See, it was stuck. Last time whenever someone filled it was filled, that's why it was stuck. So next time when this time when refilling, make sure not to spill. So if it is spilling, it will make a white dusty thing, and it's stuck. The cap was stuck on this one, so make sure it is clean before closing it. Thank you for watching. Bye.